For the repair of the Shanghai Lechun pressure monitor, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we had at about 160 volt AC power supply, a 4 to 20 milliamp input signal, and a multimeter in order to measure the voltage output. By manipulating the input signal, we see that the unit reacts accordingly, and we can see that according to the milliamp input signal, the monitor reacts accordingly and changes the variables on the screen. It is now clear that the pressure monitor is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.